Welcome back guys to my channel. I'm Farell Salvador. In this series guys, I'll be bringing you around the African continent guys. That's right, this is my fourth continent. So I'll be exploring Cairo, Egypt, and later on I'll be making my way straight to Abu Simbel, which is quite close to the Sudan border. Right after the Sudan border, we will make our way to Luxor, and after Luxor we'll go straight to the Red Sea, which is in Hurghada, and after that back to Cairo guys. So anyways guys, sit back and enjoy this video guys. Let me explore Cairo, Egypt, and let's see what we get to see in this land of history guys.
Alright guys, if you're new to my channel guys, please click on the subscribe button and of course click on the notification button guys to receive more up-to-date videos from my channel.
Next stop, transit. Let's go guys, let's go. Catch the flight. Alright guys, touchdown Egypt with the gang, me and my friends. So right now we are touchdown in Cairo. So this is our first day here in the continent of Africa.
Hello guys.
Yeah, we're very wasted today. There was a 11 hours flight and then transfer to Turkey to Egypt. There was another 2 hours plus. What happened? Static.
Static.
Alright, we're gonna change our money first and then we will make our way to the main city, right? Fir. And then we're gonna meet up with one YouTuber. His name is Ashok, right? Ashok. So we'll have breakfast with him, and after that we will walk around the market and then straight to the train station guys. We will make our way all the way to Abu Simbel, which is a 13 hours train ride, right? If I'm not mistaken here.
13 hours. No, 11 hours.
11 hours. Alright guys, so that's another 11 hours guys. We just finished 11 hours and then another 11 hours. Alright guys, we've just exited the airport. This is our first impression here of Egypt guys. It's quite cool right now, huh? It's quite chilly. First time here in the continent of Africa. Oh man, our first day in Egypt, and Fir's bag got some blessing already from a bird, Egyptian bird. He's right up there, the culprit. Welcome to Egypt, Fir.
Thank you guys.
Finally we managed to find our Uber. So now we're on our way to Al-Hussein Mosque, right? So from there we'll meet that YouTuber and then we'll have some breakfast. I think it's lunch already. And after that we'll continue our first destination, which is the market, right? Market?
Yeah. El-Khalili.
Yeah, El-Khalili, yeah? Can't even pronounce it guys. So it was quite hard guys to find our Uber earlier because for somebody who doesn't speak Arabic guys, the plate numbers are all written in their Jawi style. Check it out guys, we're calling our Uber and I can't seem to read all of this squiggly lines guys. So for those who know how to read it, you will not have any hard times down here. For those who are foreigners like me, we don't speak Arabic, so it's gonna be a challenge for you guys. So thank God we managed to find our driver, so we're on our way to town now. Alright guys, we managed to find our way and met our friend from Malaysia who's actually studying here in Egypt. His name is Ashok. There we go. So we found our way here. It was quite a challenge finding our Uber because of the writings. But surprisingly, I noticed that but like the signboards and the highways all have some English names out on the bottom, and then the top is the Arabic or Jawi. So thank God we managed to find him. So he's gonna bring us around while he's free because he's studying around here. So thank God we have somebody who knows the place around, so at least it's not gonna be hard for us.
How to describe this?
Blend buah.
It's a blend buah.
Wow, this is pure, huh?
Yeah, pure.
You really fresh. So right now we're looking for some nuts, I believe. Ara's looking for nuts. Are you looking for nuts?
Yeah.
So
for some nuts.
Yeah.
Egyptian nuts.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking for some Egyptian food. I'm quite hungry right now. So we have our local here, local Malaysian. So he's gonna bring us to some Egyptian food, guys. I'm quite excited. I'm also hungry.
Ini ada tempat lain yang jauh.
Okay guys, we managed to buy this scarf. So what's that? Now we really feel like we've blended in here already. Me and my gang. Fear, show me yours. And Ara's got hers as well. So apparently here in Egypt, they're quite strict with this camera, you know, when you're using your camera. So just be careful when you're a tourist, you're traveling around this in the country of Egypt. Just try and make sure that it's a touristy area. Try not to just stick out your camera and simply record people, because apparently people here, they don't like the camera being flashed at their face, especially the soldiers and the police. You're not allowed to record them at all. So if you do record them, they will give you a friendly warning. But I heard that one of my Malaysian friends here who was studying, he just recorded a tank. He spent the night. Satu malam
Kawan ada kawan.
he spent a night in prison just for taking a picture with a tank. So just be careful when you're taking photos, because it's best to do it in the touristy sites, guys. Don't just simply take photos of all the soldiers or all the police. You can get yourself in trouble, guys.
Mau sandwich yang daging.
Check out our meal, guys. Ooh, look at that. Looks like KFC.
Ganti KFC.
Egyptian version of KFC. Baba apa?
Baba Abdo.
Baba Abdo.
No idea.
Guys, in Egypt, apparently Pepsi is the #1, more than Coca-Cola, guys. So they say it's sweeter than the ones we're having in Malaysia. So if you're in Egypt, you better try, guys. Their soda is more gassy and plus it's sweeter than what you're usually having. Yeah, guys, it's good. The sweetness, you can really tell it's Pepsi, guys. So you can compare the Pepsi taste and Coca-Cola. Not bad.
Tadi kita order ni berapa?
Ooh.
Oh iya.
We're stuffing ourselves now.
Satu.
As you can see, guys, this is brains. Apparently. Ni otak apa? Lembu. So it's cow brain, guys. Cow's brain. Look at that. Doesn't even look like cow's brain. Oh my god, knowing that it's cow's brain, I don't think I can even eat it right now.
You need to eat, but put a lot of sauce.
Fear, can you do the honor? Come on, Fear, let's go. Do it, Fear. Let's go. Okay, he's putting a lot of sauce. That's the one. It's good. That's the one now? Cow's brain? What can you say, Ara? Does it really has that mushy kind of taste like the brains? It's good. Wow.
It's good. I took that.
Go choke. Go choke.
It's gonna be my first time.
Oh, first time also?
Yeah, also my first time.
Okay. But they can add the sauce lah?
Kalau tak ada sauce, rasa muak.
Oh, okay, tak nak aku letak sauce. Ui. Okay. The brains, cow brain. Oh, okay, the face is a bit different today.
Not expected.
Oh, not expected, nasty. Oh.
No, I can eat it. I'm sorry.
Oh, shucks. Now I'm curious now.
Yeah.
Wanna get some?
Try.
Wanna get some? Where's the sauce?
I can for you.
Okay. Oh, you.
Come, put some.
Really ya? Kau tak boleh ya? Weh, aku tengah risau sebab dia tak boleh ya. Dia dah lah stick kat sini.
Dah, makan je bang, try. Mana tak kau ngam? Tahan nafas.
Guys, cow brain.
Tahan nafas.
Oh.
You can do it, bro.
Macam mana describe dia?
Just show.
Dia macam ayam. Shark. Okay.
Terus gitu
I
juga.
was waiting for that.
Fear is going first. Apa nama ni?
Rus bil laban.
Rusbil laban. Apa benda dia?
It means nasi dengan susu.
Oh, nasi dengan susu. This is milk and rice, guys. Sedap, Fear?
Sejuk sedap.
Oh, sedap ah. Another Egyptian food, guys.
Kau rasa puas kat tekak ni?
Our local Malaysian friend here really gave us a tour, Egyptian food tour. Good suggestions. Ashok TV, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Go and subscribe.
Yes. Ara gelak. Ara TV. Subscribe. Okay, Ara makan. What do you think?
Banyak rumah sudah.
Bukan dapat balik-balik.
Sedap. Woi.
Satu kan kita punya makanan
My
Malaysia
turn.
yang hampir macam dia ada.
Yeah, give it a try as well, guys. Banyak ah?
Banyak lagi.
Banyak lagi.
Confirm. Tak rega.
Rasanya macam daging tau
Hmm.
tadi.
Guys, this is damn good. Very good, guys. Dade, macam dade.
Macam dade tapi ada nasi.
Dengan apa susu yang di sprinkle tu, yang powder milk tu. Powder milk, yang skim milk. So you letak kat nasi. Guys, this is very nice. This is my favorite actually. From all the food now, the dessert, yeah. Ni favorite.
As expected.
Yes.
Memang akan cakap ni paling mudah.
The best, guys. The sweetness is amazing. The texture, ooh, plus the rice. If you're Asian, guys, I'm sure you know what I mean by rice. Without rice, guys, your day is incomplete. In here, I noticed they don't eat much of rice. Mostly bread and meat, right? They don't nasi jarang, huh?
Jarang.
Nasi jarang. Oh, this is the best. This is specially made by Ashok. One of Ashok's best recommendation, guys. Nama apa nama?
Rus bin Laban.
Rus bin Laban. Never gets old, guys. Damn good. Sugar cane. Oh, guys, this is damn good. Very fresh. Very fresh, kan? Very fresh. And almost all the drinks in this country is all fresh. Huh? Very fresh. Yum. Oh. Very sweet.
So this is the stall.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do a quick one. Me and the gang are gonna do an 11 hours trip to Aswan. So see you there, guys. I don't want to take the risk because it's very scary recording right now. Come on, Phil. Join the gang. Looking for authentic Egyptian food, guys. Alright, let's go, pass. Alright.